Hello guys, welcome to another edition of our program to help you make money in crypto. So today I'm going to talk about the risks that we are facing right now as Bitcoin is about to make a big move. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we're going to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin and how it's been playing this game here of, when is it going to move? Because it's been basically staying where it is for quite some time. If we go all the way back here, yeah, it's about 9 days, not going anywhere. So on a technical point of view, we are going sideways, right? So we're just basically between support and resistance. And that's what's going on. And right now, there's a risk that we're going to break this support because usually, right, when we hit the bottom, there's been a strong bounce. And this time there wasn't. We got rejected at the halfway point and we're on our way back down. So that increases the risk to break support. Of course, everything will depend on what's going to happen, right, with the indicators like S&P 500 and things like that, right? So let's see what the markets are going to do when they open. They're about to open soon. So when they open, we'll have a better idea of where we stand and all that. But what we can see with the DXY is that people are putting their money into cash, right? It's like going up constantly. And so USDT is up today as well. So people and a dominance for Bitcoin, I think is going to break out soon. So we can see usually this is very rare in a bear market that the Bitcoin dominance is going down so much. And I think eventually it will break up. And when it breaks up, we're going to have a pump for Bitcoin. So I imagine that's going to happen very soon. Doesn't mean Bitcoin won't go down, but I mean that means that the altcoins will bleed. So if you're in an altcoin position, understand that if the Bitcoin dominance goes up, you're in a high risk situation. Okay, so that's that. And of course, don't forget our long-term view. You know, I gotta say, from a technical point of view, we're actually on track to this yellow line here, which is what we imagine Bitcoin might do at some point. We'll break that resistant line here. And our worst case, if things go really bad, is going to be our 400-week moving average. So yeah, that's where we are. We're just waiting to see. That's a long-term view. And what we want to do is buy the dip, go to 40,000. That's 115%. Or let it go to 400. Make sure you're cash positive. And that's a 2x rate there. So that's what we're thinking about Bitcoin. As for the Ethereum, we had this pattern which clearly break out. And technically, if Bitcoin does well, it's going to be at the top here at around $2,000, my sales target. And yeah, and then we have the S&P 500, which is going to open. And it really needs to hold that support. If it opens below that yellow support line, and goes below the green line, that's not going to be good for the market, for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. All right, hope that helps, guys. That's all I have for you today. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.